Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious vegetable lollipops. First, gather your fresh vegetables and essential binding ingredients. You'll need to prepare the vegetables by boiling and mashing them to the right consistency. Then, form the mixture into small, uniform balls, ensuring they are compact. Finally, insert lollipop sticks into each ball before you proceed to the frying stage. This sets the foundation for perfect lollipops. To begin, boil your potatoes and carrots until they are perfectly tender, making them easy to mash. Next, finely chop your onions, bell peppers, and green chilies to ensure even distribution of flavor and texture. Don't forget to grate fresh ginger and garlic. These aromatics add a wonderful depth. Once boiled, mash all your vegetables thoroughly, creating a smooth base for your lollipops. Now, combine your mashed vegetables with your chosen spices and a binding agent like all-purpose flour. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly until you achieve a firm, workable dough that holds its shape. Carefully shape this mixture into uniform balls, approximately 1.5 inches in diameter. For that irresistible crunch, coat each ball generously in breadcrumbs, ensuring full coverage before the next step. For the final step, heat your cooking oil to precisely 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place the coated lollipops into the hot oil and fry them until they turn a beautiful golden brown and are wonderfully crispy. Once fried, remove them and drain any excess oil on paper towels. Serve these delightful vegetable lollipops hot, accompanied by your favorite dipping sauce for a truly enjoyable treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.